I got orange blossoms in the air right now. It smells so sweet till they hit the ground.
It's been tough. There's a lot of things that I didn't take into consideration when moving. I guess not. I didn't not take them into consideration like when I made my decision because it would alter my decision, but because I just didn't really think about all the emotions that are attached to this place.
Too deep in my metaphor, 'cause I can think of anything I wanted more. There to see the colors of my seasons change.
I guess, yeah, it really wasn't an easy decision to make. I guess now, hindsight, it feels like it might have been easy. But it really wasn't. It was a few-day process. And I woke up one day and it just like dawned on me, like, man, I gotta make a decision. My lease is ending at the end of February. I don't really want to stay. I really want to live in the mountains. So I don't want to stay at the beach. But leaving here is not fun.
One thing about her, she don't stay long. I'm always late to where she's gone. That's why I'm holding on so desperately. It's like I fell too deep in a metaphor, looking for the reason why I met her for. She's always laughing as she turns to leave.
But I also have to remind myself that I've never done this before. I've never experienced this. I've never lived in another country. I've never done any of this, so of course it feels unknown because it is. I honestly, I wasn't, all of these emotions kind of took me by surprise. I didn't brace for impact on that part. I feel that it's time to move on. There's been a lot that's happened here, and I feel that it's time to close this chapter.
I'ma take my time with it.
I don't know if you can hear me, it's pretty windy. But we're in Breckenridge, we made it. I don't know if you can see the view. It's snowing. It wasn't in the forecast, so that's nice. But yeah, so far so good here with the family before I move on to Peru. So yeah, I've been working on packing up pretty much everything I own. This is what that looks like right now. But yeah, this is what it looks like when you decide to sell everything and move to another country, I guess. Wow. It's pretty unreal. Been here for a year. Original plan was to stay here, but as we know, plans change. And yeah, deconstructing my life right now is what it feels like. Selling everything I own. I have like 21 Facebook Marketplace listings, I think. So yeah, big transitional period, so it feels really good to kind of clock out for a little bit and just shred the gnar. But seriously, actually, it feels really good to get out here and just snowboard and be with the family. So yeah, so far so good. It's been awesome. real life.
Even when things feel so bad.
And trying to decide what to keep, what to sell, what to donate, what to throw away. And then you really have to look at the worth of everything around you and what it means to you, which is also an emotional process, in my opinion anyways. It was for me. I learned that I have a hard time letting go of things.
Today is day 2 on the mountain. Beautiful sun today. And yeah, feeling really good. Yesterday took some rough falls, but I got plenty of sleep and we're locked back in. Yeah, it's gonna take it easy, maybe hit some jumps today, and yeah, I got a little bit of snow last night, a little bit of fluff today, but really good, feeling really good.
Days go by, these days all I'm trying to know is who I am. Don't know why, it's been hard for me to stay in one place. Yeah, days go by, I've been trying to run away from what
Absolutely
I know. Don't know where I'm
beautiful
going,
day.
but I do know why. Got a
little bit of snow last
big old
night.
smoke. Got a house full of friends, gotta keep them close. Got big old eyes for the things I want, and the voice
Sun
in my head
shining.
telling me I don't. Yeah.
Wow.
Right now I'm trying to make it to the morning. Got one more on me if you want it. And right now I'm just living in the moment we have. Yeah, days go by. These days all I'm trying to know is who I am. Don't know why. It's been hard for me to stay in one place. Yeah, days go by.
This is
Run away from what I know. Don't know where I'm going, but I do know I've been looking up.
oh no.
Evan's down over there.
We just ate lunch. Evan's down over there in a tree. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Feels nice in the shade.
You got it, buddy?
Even with the parties trying to look around, bottom of the cup trying not to drown. Think I'm getting tired and I'm running down. None of it hit like it used to, baby. None of it hit like it used to. None of it hit like it used to, baby. None of it hits like it used to. Yeah. Days go by. These days all I'm trying to know is who I am. Don't know why. It's been hard for me to stay in one place. Days go by, I've been trying to run away from what I know. I don't know where.
I think it only gets better with time moving on and learning and navigating. I mean, it's just another test, really. And they never stop. You never stop taking the test of life because it's gonna throw stuff at you all the time.
Run away from what I know. I don't know where I'm going, but I do know why.
Well, it is snowing. I don't know if you can see the snow. But yeah, got my new coat. This thing is the real deal. It's a rain jacket, but it's perfect for the snow right now. So yeah, it's been a great trip. Awesome Christmas. Today is Christmas actually. And yeah, it's been great. Today was awesome. So it's been a great time with my family all around. Feeling really good. Oh, man. Got my snowshoes on. They're not snowshoes. Shit's awesome.
Life is not easy. Not to say that life is hard and it should be hard and all of the stuff you see on motivation Instagram. But like, it's tough. It's a tough job to have. Learning to be yourself, how to be yourself, who that even is. Who do you even want to be? Am I even being me right now? Or am I being the version of what I think everyone else wants me to be? Which in the end, whether you conform to what other people think you should be, or you decide to be yourself, in both scenarios, there's gonna be people that don't like you. So you might as well just be yourself. The more wandering you do, the more you find of yourself. Everywhere you go, there you are. There's no running from it. I feel that reward comes often when you dive into the unknown and take a chance, take a risk, do something you're afraid to do. The payoff is always there. So I made it to Atlanta. We sat on the tarmac for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Finally get off. The train to go from terminal to terminal is down. So I ran. No, I was at terminal E. I gotta go to B. I'm almost there, I think. You will never catch my ass running in an airport ever again. Like the fact that this bitch is broke. Fucking bullshit. It's a good thing I'm a fucking beast. This backpack is so heavy, bro. I got a side stitch. Fuck this.